Special episode for you guys. We are outside. All the main characters are here. And we also have birds on this side taking a shower. If I can only come a little bit closer, I'll be able to show it to you. I'll ask Mama to hold Bubble. Hold it. But you stay here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's right over here. We are witnessing birds taking a bath. That's so nice. Probably rare. Actually, I can try to come closer. I'm gonna go try to come closer, okay, Kian? Okay, everybody?
Far away from
No, I will go very slowly. Which you will not be able to tell. We need to spice it up a little bit as far as what we filming, because it's always Kiana and Bubble. Now we will have. I gotta do it very quietly. Don't go away. Oh man. Okay, this is as close as probably I can get. Hey, you didn't do a good job coming over. But I was pretty far actually. I didn't come that close. And look at us. Guys, you wanna wave the hand? Hey Kiana. Kiana, you wanna wave a hand? No? Hi. All right. Beautiful over here. Let's come close. Now that they're gone anyway, I might as well show you where they were swimming. Not, huh? I know. Not the cleanest. I don't even know how to call it. River, lake. Probably lake. Yeah, it's definitely a lake. What am I talking about? It's not going into anything. So it's a closed body of water, so it's a lake. Okay, I'm going back. All right. But yeah, it's fall already. Barely any leaves on the trees left, and we are going to continue our journey. Right, Bubble? No. Why are you jumping? Okay, Bubble decided that, okay, enough of making videos of me. Bubble, Kiana, how are you doing? Are you enjoying yourself? Still nice, not too cold. Yeah, for those of you who wonder, today is like 23 Celsius. And yeah, probably a few more. Oh, that's why. All right, we're not gonna focus on. We'll give Bubble some privacy. Let's respect Bubble's privacy. She went to do her business, and Kiana became concerned. Kiana, you wanna just stay here by yourself for a moment, so I can get a good shot? Ow! All right, here you go. Hee hee. Very nice. Very peaceful and beautiful. Alright, Kian, let's go. Thank you guys for watching as always. And we want to say bye-bye to you. Until next time, have a wonderful day.